Ladies and gentlemen, in today's video, I'm going to reveal the surefire, guaranteed way to make your first million in the next 5 to 10 years. If you're currently a broke student, this is genuinely 99% guaranteed to make you rich if you watch the entire video and really take in what I'm trying to tell you. As I approach my 10th year as an entrepreneur, having seen everything and owning over a dozen companies, I can confidently say this is the most reliable path. But you must watch, absorb, and apply what I'm about to share. Timeless business principles. Times have changed and the world is vastly different from what it was 100 years ago. However, some business principles remain timeless. A century ago, if you wanted to get rich quickly, and by quickly, I mean 5 to 10 years, not months, you had a clear path. Today I'll explain how you can achieve this in our modern world. Learning over earning. 100 years ago, the typical path to wealth was to start as an employee at a fast-growing company, bringing immense value and ensuring you were compensated adequately. Alternatively, you could learn from a company for a few years, then use that knowledge to start your own business. This approach of prioritizing learning over earning in your early years is still crucial today, especially for students and young adults. Modern society's rush. In modern society, everyone is in a rush to become a millionaire, especially teenagers and students. They believe wealth will bring them recognition and material possessions. However, from my experience, making money at an early age often attracts skepticism rather than admiration. The key is to focus on learning and growth rather than quick, often luck-based gains. Crypto caution. While some might think making quick money through crypto is the way, it can be detrimental if you rely solely on luck. My success with crypto was part of a broader, diversified approach. The best time to make money is typically from ages 25 to 30. But starting your entrepreneurial journey early can set you up for success. Apprenticeships versus internships. Historically, apprenticeships allowed young people to learn from masters. Today, internships often lack this depth of training. If you're young, focus on working for a company where you can truly learn and absorb valuable skills. Choosing the right company. When selecting a company to work for, prioritize those willing to invest in your training and development. Look for companies that aren't too large, so you get meaningful exposure and learning opportunities. Insider knowledge. Insider knowledge is crucial for long-term success. You can acquire this through education, mentoring, or by working your way up in a company. This knowledge will be your most valuable asset when you eventually start your own venture. Business principles remain. Despite technological advancements, core business principles remain unchanged. Being an apprentice, gaining insider knowledge, and using that to start your own business is a time-tested path to success. Remember, the world has changed, but some principles are timeless. Be a sponge, absorb as much information as you can, and when the time is right, use that knowledge to launch your own business. As always, I'm watching from afar and rooting for your success. Let's quickly recap the key points we discussed today. Embrace diverse income streams. Don't be afraid to try different ways to make money. Experiment, acquire new skills, and find what works best for you. Prioritize learning. Over-earning. In your early years, focus on gaining knowledge and experience. The earnings will follow. Invest in yourself. First, the best investment you can make is in your own skills and education. This will pay off more than any financial investment. Break the shackles. Let go of anything holding you back, whether it's bad habits, negative influences, or distractions. Make a meaningful promise. Commit to a promise that motivates you deeply. This will keep you focused and driven. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps us continue to create valuable content for you. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We have many more insightful videos on the way that will help you navigate the complex world of finance and reach your goals faster. Thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep pushing forward and unlocking your true potential with Anonymous Profit.